Hey, in this one we're going to be making Brazilian lemonade. Let's get into it. Okay, first, what the is Brazilian lemonade? I had no idea what it was, and it was trending like crazy on social media.
This is Brazilian lemonade.
After my long research on YouTube all night, I figured let's give it a try. It looks delicious. I like lemons, I like lemonades. So I went to the market, it's citrus season, so let's try out these pink lemons. Why not? Okay, everybody, this is a very simple recipe today. It's just a beverage, okay? So it's nothing too serious. It's a pink lemon. A pink lemon, it's a little bit more sweeter, but still tart, just like a regular lemon. So I thought this would be perfect to try out. Kind of reminded me of like a pink high C punch. My 90s friends, if you grew up in the 90s, you know what I'm talking about. But look at these beautiful citruses. It's citrus season. Let's take advantage. Let's play around with this recipe. Now for the Brazilian lemonade, I just basically mimicked what I saw. I put everything into a high-powered blender with water to cover, and then I gave it a blitz. But I blitzed it a lot longer than you normally would. You want to make sure it's thoroughly blitzed, and just look at this beautiful color that you got with the pink lemons. Then we pour that into a fine mesh strainer on a separate container. We want to remove all of the pith and the seed because you don't want to drink that. You see all this stuff right here? Not good tasting. Put that back into the blender, and then we add in our ice plus the sweetened condensed milk. This is what's going to add all that creaminess and all of the sweetness. Give it another blitz for quite a while to make it nice and frothy, and there we go. We have this delicious custardy Brazilian lemonade. It's fluffy, it's creamy. It reminds me of a key lime pie or like a lemon meringue pie, very custardy. That's delicious, but it still has a little bit of bitterness to it. I was thinking, why not try out Meyer lemons? Meyer lemons seem like they're made for this because we can eat the skins of Meyer lemons and everything. So let's try this out. Now, if you haven't had a Meyer lemon, I highly suggest you try them out. I actually like to take Meyer lemons, slice them thin, put some flaky salt, and eat them just like that. They're very nice and sweet. Now, the beauty of citrus season is we have so many different options for this particular recipe. Do some limes, do some pink lemons, do some Meyer lemons, do some kumquats. Experiment with it. It's a very simple beverage, and it's quite delicious. So I'm doing the recipe the same way as follows. Everything into the blender, give it a blitz. We make sure to strain it well, and I'll have the recipe in my website linked down below. You can also join the Discord so you can chat with us and see what else we're gonna make next. Really appreciate you watching. Let me know if you like this style of video. It took me quite a while to make, so if you like it, I'll go ahead and make some more. Okay, they both equally look very creamy. Let's try out this Meyer lemon. Much better. Try out the pink one again. It's good, it just has a bitterness to it because you're blending in the pith and all. While in Meyer lemon, you're blending the pith and all, but Meyer lemons, they're pretty much grown to be eaten whole. The skin is sweet, so it's not gonna be bitter. This is just a way nicer product. I highly suggest using Meyer lemons if you're gonna make this type of lemonade. That's it, see you next Tuesday.